Welcome to episode 232 of Hike with Mangyan. Today, we're hitting blue and pink trails at James S. Long Park, a chill forest loop with surprise mud, mystery blazes, and occasional soccer ball flyby. Let's get moving before we get drafted into a youth sports league.
You know why I don't like all of my hair braided like this? Because every time I look at my shadow, it looks like I'm bald. Angel, don't touch the tree before you get really itchy. It can be a poison ivy. Wait, can you?
Alright.
Why is he doing that?
Cool. Angel?
No, like, why is he wearing white orange?
Maybe so he can be spotted that he's coming. Indigenous homelands long before the park existed. The Manahoac people lived throughout the Bull Run foothills for centuries. The gentle ridges and creek corridors in today's park echo their travels and hunting routes.
Still get over it. Look at you. Your energy's waning.
He's like, oh my god, look at that! Oh my god, look at that too! Is that like, Mommy, why is that so fuzzy?
Because it's spiky. Those are tiny spikes. It hurts when you touch it.
That's why I'm not touching a tree.
Just west of a Civil War hotspot, the first Battle of Manassas, Bull Run, erupted only a few miles east in 1861. Troops, scouts, and supply wagons moved through the Gainesville corridor where the park now sits.
Invincible.
She's like, oh, what was that? Oh, the guy's sick. Hey. True.
Here, Angel. Come here.
I wish mine could do that.
You're fighting
What
on
is that?
which one?
Here, that leaves.
These are called ferns.
Where's no rock?
Huh?
Oh, there's some.
We forgot your hiking pole. You gotta survive the water.
A crossroads of early Virginia travel. Nearby Route 29 began as the Warrenton Turnpike, a major 1800 stagecoach road. Travelers, mail carriers, and freight wagons passed close to the land that became the park.
If you fall, you just walk into the water. And then just take off your shoes in the...
Wow, is it water?
Yes, it is water. Good balance, yeah, good balance.
I'm stuck.
Don't drink it. Don't drink the water, Angel.
Yes, I do.
You.
It's gonna be a water filter. Angel, let me eat a snack. Is there anything in my pocket? I'm trying to find a goldfish.
Yes, the goldfish is one on one of the side pockets. Angel, you want a snack too?
The forest is younger than it looks. Much of the woodland along the Blue and Pink Trail is second growth. These areas were cleared for farming in the 1800s and naturally reforested after agriculture declined.
You're being a bad boss. Yes. Here. Let me squirt your water. Here. Ready? Yes. Good girl. Now we know how to give it in.
I'm just trying to play into my room, but I can't make any more.
creeks that once fed local farms. The small streams we crossed were part of a network that supported 19th century farms and orchards. What's forest today was once open pasture.
Like your school, we only have like 150 kids total for the entire.
How much do we have?
Oh, you have a lot.
So we have 5th grade to and each class.
Destroyed?
No.
I always take it on hikes.
Well, can we go back?
No, I'm not going back. Always
Okay.
forward.
So can we just Google it?
Yes, we can Google it.
What is this white stuff?
Just remind me, okay?
Okay.
Oh, Angel.
Remind.
Sienna, don't step on it. Spoop. Hey, Angel,
ew.
don't eat that, and then you're gonna lick us
I'm not touching her.
with your poopy mouth. And you see the squirrel.
Railroad shaped the region's development. The mid-1800s Orange and Alexandria Railroad, later Southern Railway, transformed Gainesville. Timber from these woods was harvested for railroad ties and fuel.
Careful about the.
All right.
Go ahead and check it.
Yes. Remember earlier when we were walking? We crossed this way.
Wait. Mom, look at the branch.
Okay. Careful with the log. Look at the Angel. Oh. What? Angel. What you doing? You wet? It's okay. Just take it off in the car.
Do you have any extra shoes?
No. Did you pack an extra shoe?
You never told me.
Typically, I bring a Crocs.
Yeah?
I didn't bring a Crocs.
Why?
Don't drink that water, Angel. Cause just take it off. Is it your feet cold
A
right
park
now?
named for a community builder. James S. Long was a local civic leader who championed recreation, youth sports, and public spaces in Prince William County. His legacy lives on in the park that bears his name.
You can go first if you want to go first. All right, we're almost home. We're almost back to where we started, huh? Is it cold?
My foot.
It's cold.
That wraps up our hike on the blue and pink trails. Woods, creeks, and just enough confusion to keep us honest. If you enjoyed the wonder, hit like and subscribe. See you on the next trail. Bye!
You're not playing?